These are very interesting times. Many people laugh at people who own XRP Ripple right now, but trust me, they will soon change their minds. Everyone in the world has heard the CEO of Ripple say that XRP Ripple could win the court case this month. Another thing that experts say is possible is for XRP Ripple to reach $200. It's a huge sign that prices will go up. That could be the last time you can get XRP Ripple coins for that low of a price. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota Ben, Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission are back in court, and the case is getting more attention from people outside of the cryptocurrency industry. This case is very important for the future of XRP, which is Ripple's own digital currency. XRP is currently selling at about 52 cents and is moving in a symmetrical triangle pattern that traders are paying close attention to. Recently, Ripple sent a return letter asking to seal or redact private financial information, which could make it less competitive. There is a lot of attention and speculation in the crypto world about this move. An important person in the XRP community named James Phelan tweeted about the latest developments in the case. He said that Ripple had submitted a reply letter in support of its move to seal documents in response to the SEC's move for judgment and remedies. Not only for Ripple, but also for the whole cryptocurrency market. The result of this case is very important. Experts and observers are keeping a close eye on the situation and have noticed that Ripple has already won some small wins. Notably, a number of claims about the automatic sale of XRP have been thrown out, but the question of sales by institutions is still up for debate. A win for Ripple could affect a lot of people. For one thing, it could give XRP some much-needed regulatory clarity. It has been in limbo because of the case. As companies and investors feel more confident in XRP's legal standing, it may be used and adopted by more people. Data from the past supports this view. When Ripple has been successful in court, the value of the XRP coin has often gone up. There is a lot at stake. If the judge rules in favor of Ripple, the price of XRP could change significantly. And this is because investors would have more faith in the currency, which could lead to higher demand. On the other hand, a negative decision could make things even more complicated when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies. The fact that Ripple took the initiative to sign its financial deals shows how important they are. The company says that if this information gets out, it could hurt its ability to compete, which makes the case even more complicated. This move by Ripple shows the bigger conflict between openness from regulators and the need to safeguard business interests in the very competitive and quickly changing crypto market, as the Ripple vs. SEC case goes on, it's clear that Ripple is almost certain to win. However, there is one important factor that could completely tip the balance in Ripple's favor. There is only one person who can win this, and that is the CEO of Ripple. Also, guess what? He did it. This change is a huge sign that XRP is going up, and you won't want to miss it. You'll be amazed. Investors have been excitedly waiting for XRP to break out, especially since the market and regulatory environment have been improving recently. One of the most respected analysts thinks that XRP's market value could soar to an amazing $3 trillion in the next cycle phase. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is sure that XRP will soon have its own spot exchange-traded fund in the US, which makes people more hopeful. The term ETF refers to a type of investment fund that is bought and sold on stock markets, just like stocks. As its main asset, it tracks an index and holds things like stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. If an XRP ETF is approved, it will be a huge step forward for people who own XRP. A safe and easy way for buyers to get into XRP would be created, which is likely to boost demand and liquidity. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, is pleased with the future of crypto ETFs, especially for XRP. During his talk at Consensus 2024 in Austin, Garlinghouse said that XRP ETFs are on the way. I think it's only a matter of time before there's an XRP ETF, a Solana ETF, a Solana ETF, and a Cardano ETF, which is great, he said. The Securities and Exchange Commission recently changed its rules in a big way by approving several spot Ether ETFs. This caused Ethereum's price to reach its best level since March. Issuers have been asked to send in their draft S1 reports to the SEC, readying the way for a lot of new crypto ETFs. Analyst Egrag Crypto has pointed out a very important trend called the white channel, which shows how XRP's market cap has changed since 2017. In the past, this rising channel has been a good way to predict how prices will move. If XRP breaks out of this channel, it could be about to go on a meteoric rise that could see its market value hit $3 trillion. The market value of XRP is $28.6 billion right now. According to Egrag Crypto, if XRP makes it to the top of the white channel, its market value will soar to almost $290 billion, which is a huge jump. If this trend keeps up, XRP could grow at a rate that has never been seen before, and it might even pass big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Linkto's most recent data also shows that Ripple's pre-IPO shares are selling at $50.69 now. Quite a bit more than last year's $35. The price of XRP could go up because Ripple's value has gone up by 1,242%. If the price of XRP went up by the same 1,242%, it would hit $6.63, is a big jump from where it is now. In addition to talking about ETFs, Garlinghouse shared Ripple's big plans for developing industrial decentralized finance. The goal of this project is to create tokens that can be used for more than one thing. This will make the Ripple environment even more useful and flexible. Ripple continues to strengthen its position as a major player in the cryptocurrency market by putting itself at the forefront of new ideas. As Ripple deals with its legal problems and gets ready for big changes that could happen, like the approval of an XRP ETF and an IPO in another country, the future looks very bright for people who own XRP. It might seem like a tall order to get to a $3 trillion market cap, but it's very possible to do so with the right changes in regulations and market conditions. Things keep getting more interesting, though. They think that the price of $6 for an XRP Ripple token is too low and think it's funny. This crazy price forecast is not what you are ready for. You really can't miss it. Keep reading to find out how much XRP could go up and what this means for your investments. When price changes are common and forecasted prices are often met with doubt, investors all over the world are interested in what one expert thinks will happen with XRP. A well-known crypto analyst named Javon Marks, who is known for his insightful market views, recently found a technical indicator that points to a possible rise for XRP with a price goal that has many investors scratching their heads. Marx's explanation is based on a technical sign known as a hidden bull divergence. When the price of an object makes higher lows and a momentum indicator, like the RSI, shows lower lows, this pattern appears. Even though it seems to go against what you might think, this pattern shows strong underlying bullish energy, even when prices drop. The price of XRP and the RSI both show that this secret bull divergence is present on the 18-day chart. XRP's lows have been going up since 2020, but its RSI lows have been going down since 2016. This pattern, along with the fact that XRP's RSI recently hit its lowest point ever, suggests that the current rise for XRP may have some strength to it. Mark sees that XRP is getting close to the point where a pennant or coil pattern converges, which is above the secret bull divergence. This technical pattern usually comes before a price breakout, which is marked by trend lines that come together and keep going in the same direction. As XRP fell from its all-time high in January 2018, a big multi-year pennant structure began to form. Based on how the price of XRP has been moving lately, the appearance of this pattern at this important point could mean a big bullish breakout. Marx makes his point stronger by talking about how XRP has done in the past. He brings up an example of a time when XRP went through an amazing rise of over 110,000%, which shows how quickly it can grow. The fact that this has happened before supports the idea that the price of XRP can go up by a lot. Mark's prediction for XRP's price is interesting. He thinks the price will go up by more than 36,000% if the rise happens as planned, which could push it toward $200. If it went for $200, the market value would be $11 trillion, which is more than the market value of all cryptocurrencies put together, and more than the market value of big tech companies like Microsoft and Apple. Some people might be skeptical about this goal, but Marx is sure that XRP can reach it because of how well it has done in the past. He has said before that he thought it would reach $200, and he is reiterating his belief in this goal. Many people in the community are eagerly waiting to see how this very bold prediction turns out. If it comes true, the price of XRP would have gone up by over 38,300% from where it is now. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would